5 kilograms sealed straight to my door. Okay, so this box showed up at my house, and this is kind of a really crazy. It's a big box, 5 kilograms sealed straight to my door. And on the front of it, one name, HODL. Hang on for your dear life. And right in the middle right here, this is a famous logo, Binance. Now, I have not opened this yet. I kind of wanted us to do this together. So let's do it right now, okay? For those who have followed my journey in the markets, you know I don't get sentiment about many things. Charts, order flow, institutional money, moving quietly in the background. Now that's kind of my language. But every now and then, when something like this lands on your desk that isn't a number, I mean, wow, look at this. Like, Binance mailed this to me to my home. 5 kilograms. I literally stand on the weighing machine and kind of just want to know how heavy this is. I honestly do not know yet. And before we open a single flap, I want to say the important part first. Thank you. Thank you to the team at Binance for thinking of me. In an industry that moves at the speed of a candlestick, a physical gesture like this, something kind of you can hold, that means something. All right, enough talking. Let's see what 5 kilograms of Binance actually feels like. All right, there we go. I'm gonna kind of open it up. Oh, 1 second. Okay, so the big cover gone. We just move it aside. So right inside, there is a message from Binance called Dear Binancean. We are all Binance. And there's another one which is called a Global Ambassador Campaign. The swag feedback. Alright, then there's a little toy right here. That's the Binance toy. Not too sure what this is. There's one more box right up here. Wow! A scarf, a Bitcoin scarf. I love that. And then there's one bigger box inside a box within the box. This is called box within the box. It's like crazy. So there's this box right here. Let me open up. Whoa! This guy is sealed. And for everybody else, I'm gonna open up. Right, I'll open up the sticker and let's see what's inside this. Holy moly! What do I have right here? I think this is a Binance jacket. He knows I'm feeling cold in this room. Wow! Check this out. I hope it fits my size. Let me put it on. There you go. Binance and spiking together. Wow, fits really nice and smells nice. Wow, I love it. Just look at this with the Binance logo. By the way, it's not done yet. I see there's another box within the box. That's like another big surprise. So let's come back to this box here. There's this yellow flap at the side, kind of give you the clue. You gotta lift this guy up. Let me try to do this. Really, there's a hidden box inside. Okay, this box is gone. Now let's see. There's another layer right here, again with a flap. You can open it up. Let's take this out. Holy moly! What do we have right here? We have a HODL bag. Wow! This is like crazy, man. A HODL bag, and then kind of like to adjust this and put it on. And then pull it down. Look at this, mama. Now this is like making my day. I'm so happy about this. What's so cool about it? And you know, you can measure a company by the small things, whether it remembers the people in its orbit and when there's nothing to gain. This box didn't move a market. It didn't change the price. It just made my morning, and that's exactly the point. So from my house to the team at Binance, generally thank you. This one's going on the shelf where I can see it every day. And to everyone watching, tell me in the comments what's the best thing a brand has ever sent you. I want to hear from you. And for the record, this was a gift. Nobody paid me to open the box. I just want to share a good moment with good people. And until the next one, thank you, Binance.